Prepare your taste buds for a mouth-watering journey to the heart of Spain in our video, Savoring Spain, a culinary adventure through paella. Join us as we explore the picturesque landscapes, vibrant culture, and the irresistible allure of one of Spain's most iconic dishes, paella. Our adventure begins in the lively streets of Valencia, where the tantalizing aroma of saffron-infused rice and savory ingredients fills the air. Immerse yourself in the essence of Spanish cuisine as we delve into the artistry of crafting this beloved culinary masterpiece. As we uncover the culinary magic behind paella, you'll witness the skilled hands of local chefs at work. Plump grains of bomba rice mingle with succulent seafood, tender chicken, or rabbit, all simmering together with an array of aromatic spices. It's a symphony of flavors and colors that embodies the soul of Spain. But paella is more than just a dish, it's a reflection of Spain's diverse regions and cultural heritage. We'll take you on a sensory journey, from the coastal towns where seafood paella reigns supreme to the rustic villages where rabbit and snail paella is a cherished tradition. Discover the significance of paella in Spanish culture, where it's not just a meal but a celebration of life. It's a dish that brings families and friends together, fostering a sense of community, festivity, and shared joy. Savoring Spain is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions and zest for life that define Spain. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary adventure through paella, and experience the artistry and passion that have made this dish a symbol of Spanish culture. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the vibrant streets and picturesque landscapes of Spain by the captivating stories and delectable flavors that await you in Savoring Spain, a culinary adventure through paella.